my main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JP, Show Guy Productions, and we're here doing another video. And today we're going to take JR's car to get his long tube headers done. We gotta go all the way to Miami.
Southwest to A69 Sawgrass.
What's up, man? He's gonna take his bad boy to get his headers done. I'm gonna drop it off and pick it up tomorrow. So it's gonna be a long ass ride. Like, from my house it's 55 miles. Over here it's probably a little bit longer. Y'all, how many miles?
78.
78 miles, man. 78 miles going and 78 coming back. I gotta drop them off. Let's go. So anyway, guys, we'll see you over there. Alright? So I'll catch you later. Hey, you wanna see this guy get mad? Watch this.
Where?
Hey, we gotta stop by at Wawa's. I don't know. Find one.
Huh?
Find one. Right, man. I forgot, man. We just go straight there.
We're gonna go straight there? Yeah, but they're telling me to get off 40 Southwest 10th Street.
Oh, yeah.
So we gotta get up there to get Sawgrass and jump on the turnpike. So just follow what it says. That ain't the same way we went last time.
I'll take it to the the Sawgrass and then you go from there.
Well, it's trying to tell me to connect to 75.
Yeah.
So that's all right. Do it in an hour.
Goodbye. Hurry up. Damn, that shit is loud. Well, anyway, guys, we'll see you over there. Peace. So yeah, we ended up at Waba's. I'll show you right now. See? Yeah.
No, it ain't break time.
They were
You
made
gotta
at
get
Waba's.
over it. You gotta start the day.
Hurry up, man, so we can leave. Yeah, so we'll be leaving as soon as I finish my soft pretzel. Alright, later. And like that, we are. Gotta love Florida. Gotta love it. I hate when it rains. People can't drive when it rains. I gotta be extra careful. So that means I gotta put my camera down and focus on the road. Alright? Peace, my people. Peace. And just like that, my people, it stops raining. You gotta love it out here. It rains, it stops. Not much any money later on, and it's gonna rain again. That's South Florida for you. Well, that's Florida for you in general. Alright? Let me hear. Okay. Alright. He's good. Back to the drive. This dude is like taking me around the world, man. We're going left, right, U-turns. I think this guy is lost. Feel like going to Children of the Corns here. Oh man, I think we should be there shortly. All right, let's see what happens. Well, guys, we're finally here, man. After a freaking long ass drive and going crazy, going in circles. We're here. Look at that dude. Yeah, Mustang. Shelby Cobra. Oh, there goes the other one. Look at that bad boy. The 350 gt350. Look at that shit. That shit is badass. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to look at it. Let me go park. So here, look at this bad boy. It's gt500 Shelby. Cool. Check the front out. There goes this other vehicle. This is a badass. Yep. So we dropped off his car. So they're gonna work on it tomorrow, and hopefully we get to pick it up by 5 o'clock. And that's about it. So anyways, catch you in the next video. Peace.